Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the console. This protects components and resets capacitors. Once done, remove external panels. Use plastic pry tools to lift clips and Torx drivers to remove screws. You should label each screw type as you go so reassembly is simple and faster. Make sure to wear an anti-static strap or touch ground metal periodically to prevent damage. These first steps open access to the controller board and button assembly, so you can see the stuck or unresponsive button clearly. You now inspect the button area to determine cause. Look for debris, misaligned caps, or a damaged silicone membrane. Once you identify the issue, clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Blow out dust with compressed air and gently realign the plastic button cap. If the membrane is torn or conductive pads are worn, replace the membrane or swap conductive pads from a donor unit. Make sure to test button travel and tactile click before reassembly to confirm the fix. You reassemble by reseating ribbon cables and replacing screws in original order. Do not over-tighten. Once closed, power on the console and test the button in system menus and a game to ensure consistent response. If the button still fails, perform a firmware reset, repair controllers, or test with another controller to isolate hardware versus software. As a troubleshooting tip, if intermittent, remove dust again and check solder joints. Cold solder or flex damage often shows as inconsistent behavior and may need professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.